Hello students, in our last video we were solving the exercise 5.1 and we already solved question number first and question number second. So today we will discuss from question number 3 and remaining question of 5.1. Question number 3 of 5.1 is the weekly wages in rupees of 30 workers in a factory are, and some wages are given below. Using tally marks, make a frequency table with the intervals as 800 to 810, 810 to 820 and so on. So as mentioned in the question, we take class interval as 800, 810, then 810 to 820, 820 to 830 and so on. So first we make table for solving this question like this as mentioned here. First column of class interval, second column of tally mark and frequency, third column of frequency. Then we make class interval as 800 to 810, 810 to 820 and so on up to 900. Then we count how many observation falling in the range 800 to 810. 800 to 810 means we take values 800, 801, 802, 803, 804, 5, 6, 7 and 809. But we cannot take value of 810. We take value 810 in our next class. So when you count observation, we include its lower limit. We include its lower limit, but we does not include its upper limit. So we take value from 800 to 809. We take 810 in our next observation. In next class interval, we write 810 to 820. So here we count this 810 here. And in this manner, we count all the observation. So in the range 800 to 810, only 3 frequencies are occur. And in the range 810 to 820, only 2 frequencies are occur. In the range 820 to 830, only 1 frequencies are occur. Similarly, we can count and write all the frequency which are falling in the different class interval. Now move to our fourth question of exercise 5.1, and in this question it is given that draw a histogram for the frequency table made for the data in question number 3 and answer the following question. Which group has the maximum number of workers? How many workers earn 850 and more? How many workers earn less than 850? So using the table which we made in our last question, we draw a histogram here. We take all the class interval in the x-axis and number of workers, it means frequency, in the y-axis, and scale of this graph is 1 centimeter is equal to represent 1 unit. Since we are not starting from 0, so we use a kink here. Kink is a jagged line, as you can see in the starting of the x-axis. We use here because our data, our class interval is not starting from the 0. Now we can draw a histogram using the last table. So in our last table, 3 workers are fall in the interval 800 to 810. So first we draw a bar whose height is 3 centimeter. In our next class interval, only 2 workers. So we draw next bar of the height 2 centimeter. There is no gap between the bars. In the third class interval, only one worker. So we draw third bar of height 1 centimeter. In next class interval, 9 workers are there. So we draw next bar of the height 9 centimeter. In the class interval 840 to 850, 5 workers are here. So we draw next bar of the height 5 centimeter. In the class interval 850 to 860, only one workers are there. So we draw again a bar of 1 centimeter here. In the next frequency 860 to 870, 3 workers fall in this range. So we draw next bar of the height 3 centimeter. Next two class interval, in the next two class interval, only one worker are there. So we draw next two bars of 1 centimeter. And in the last class interval 890 to 900, only 4 workers are there. So we draw a bar of 4 centimeter height. In first part, we have to answer this question, that which group has the maximum number of workers. So you can clearly see from answer this question from the histogram, that in the class interval 830 to 840, maximum number of the workers, and they are 9 in number. In second question, we have to answer how many workers earn 850 and more. 850 and more. For this, we count number of workers from 850. You can count this number here also. So add 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. So you have 10 workers which earn more than 850. Now you have to answer third part of the question, and question is how many workers earn less than 850. For its solution, you have to add frequencies 800 to 810 up to 840 to 850. So add all the frequencies 3, 2, 1, 9 and 5, and you have 20 as your answer. Now move to our last question, and last question is the number of hours for which student of a particular class watch television during holidays is shown through the given graph. Answer the following question. And first question is, for how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV? So you can clearly see here in the histogram that maximum number of student is 32, and they watch TV 4 to 5 hours. In second part, how many students watch TV less than 4 hours? For this, we have to add all the frequencies which are less than 4. So we add 22, 8 and 4. We have 34 students who watch TV less than 4 hours. In third part, how many students spent more than 5 hours watching TV? For more than 5 hours, we add frequencies 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. It means 8 plus 6, and 14 students are there who watch TV for more than 5 hours.